back, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. There's been a lot of things going on. What a week we've been having with this election. It's just been crazy. Just crazy. It's like a soap opera, you know? So let's see what's gonna happen. I guess we'll find out over the weekend. It's a beautiful day. It's gonna be 71 today in November, and made some changes to my camera setup. I added a new camera, so I got the GoPro 8 over there, GoPro 7 Black here, and I'm using the 7 Silver in the back to get the rear shot. If everybody enjoys these videos, don't forget to give a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Running late to work, so hopefully I can make up some ground, but it's all right. I'm not stressing it too much. Big shout out to Black City. What's going on? So I'm heading on my way to work, late as always. I never get there on time. Maybe that's because I'm such a relaxed type of guy. That I just cannot conform to the rules. So I don't know how many of you guys out there have been following the elections, but it's been a crazy week. I hope everybody did their duty and voted. It's all that matters. But you gotta get out there, do it. But we definitely needed a change. So whoever is the next president hopefully does some good to change things for the better. Really is a nice day today. It's a shame that I have to go to work. All right, see if I catch you guys later. I'm off to work. Take it easy.